Here's a really nice 2010 Ford Explorer Eddie Bauer, blue in color. Today we're at Ravenel Ford, taking a more in-depth view of the vehicle. It's a pre-owned vehicle for sale. That's exactly right, folks. The body's in really good shape, a nice looking set of alloy wheels with Goodyear tires. As you can see, plenty of tire tread left. Running boards on the bottom. Green dot vehicle means it's extra clean, extra inspected, extra service, extra set of keys. Comprehensive warranty at no charge. That's exactly right. You're going to get a warranty with the vehicle at no extra charge. So far the body is looking good. No major dents, stings, or scratches. Trailer package. Passenger side looks good, as you can see here, folks. It's got the roof racks up top. Let's take a look in the back. This one does have third row seats that can fold up. You can also fold the second row seats down for even more space. So plenty of room on the inside of the Explorer. Let's take a look at the interior. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. It's got the wood trim on the inside. Eddie Bauer, that means you're going to get tan leather. Looking good, very clean. Steering wheel, leather wrapped. Cruise control and audio functions right there for you. Automatic transmission. Does have Microsoft Sync and heated seats up front. Cold AC, a CD player. Let's look at the mileage. 31,334 miles, so low mileage for 2010. Storage in here. USB auxiliary hookup and a 12-volt outlet. Let's take a look at the back seats. Back seats looking good. Plenty of room. Also rear air. It's very nice. Keeps people cool in the back as well. Nice solid vehicle in good shape. Very clean. Runs out nice. Let's take a look at the price. So again, 2010 Ford Explorer Eddie Bauer, 31,000 miles. It's a 6-cylinder. Kelly Blue Book says you should pay $26,775. Our sale price is $25,700. At Ravenel Ford, go to ravenelford.com for more information. We also have no dealer admin fees or dock fees of any kind. We'll show you how easy it is to do business with us out here with that Southern hospitality.